scope and closure. It's a very important topics. Most of the people are asking, and if you know this thing is very good for you. So basically scope. So basically scope, we can say it's two type: local scope and global scope. For example, I saw example. Suppose let a is equal to r. I am global. Now if I am creating function, so if I am creating function, test, and if I am calling console.log .a, now I am declaring declaring one more variable, let is equal to 12. Now I am going to console.log p. So I show you first example, then you guys understand. Okay, I'm not calling function, that's why it's okay. You can see here I am a global. I'm calling a. Okay, so inside function I'm calling a, still it will called. Okay, and I'm calling b, it will call. Okay, so I'm going to call here also console.log. I'm going to call a, and console.log I'm going to call b. Okay, so you can see here reference error, b is not defined. It means inside function, if I'm declaring any functions, okay, so it will call only inside function. You can't call outside of the function. So this is called local scope. And this one call is global scope. Okay, means you can call a from anywhere, it will call, but you can't call b anywhere. You can call b inside only that function where it was declared. Okay, nobody replying.
Okay, Srishnath.
You guys understood?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, understood.
okay, thank you.
Yes,
Let's move on that closure. Closure is very important. Same scenario, it's like applicable for here. So closure, basically what happened, function and lexical environment, the combination of function and its lexical environment is called closure. Okay, so same, it means scenario, what happens scenario in closure. Suppose I have a function outer, outer function. I am declaring a variable. global is global, and I'm going to return inner function console.log global. Okay, if I'm calling outer, okay, return okay. So what is the closure? That simple definition, or you can make according to your like a method. A function is the combination of closure is a combination of function and its lexical environment. Lexical environment means outer variables. Okay, so like that. So you guys understand? This is called closure. I am just declaring one outermost functions. Inside that outermost function, I am creating one variable. Inside, I am going to create one more inner functions. After that, I am just returning that function. Okay. So basically, why we are using is closure? Why we are using closure? I will take one example, then you can understand very confident. You understand all things. So I show you that closure, then you will understand all things. Document 2025 closure. I will take one example, then you guys understand very easily. So why we are using closure? So suppose when we are like a sending OTP, you understand, when you are going to like a sending OTP, so each time what you are doing, each time you are sending OTP and it will change automatically. Okay, and suppose if you have old password, if you want to change new password, then how you did that? Okay, so I will show you. I will take that example, then you guys understood. It's the simplest way, but I'm going to create First we understand, okay, one by one. So I'm creating secret password. By default I have a password abc123. Okay, so what happened, I'm returning two function. Okay, first get password, what was the our password, and second one is set password. Okay, so what happened here, I'm just calling that outer function, and after that I'm just calling our what is our password, actual password. Okay, after that I'm setting one new password. Again I'm checking our password should be changed or not. Okay, so let's see. Above, I'm just close it. In starting my password is abc123. I set one new password ras at the rate 12, and after that I am checking what is my password, it will change. So same scenario, I am going to create one OTP. Okay, then you guys understand. OTP, set OTP. So same scenario, we are going to create a function OTP. Okay, by default I have a OTP is 12345. Okay, I'm returning get OTP. Console dot log, what is my OTP, first see. After that comma, after that set OTP. Yes, new OTP.
Bro, you have console OPT, not OTP.
Okay, sorry, OTP. OTP function. I'm going to set now OTP. I'm going to change admin at the rate 123. Okay, so let OTP anything you give. OTP is our function name. After that I will see is OTP. What is this? Console, yeah. Is OTP dot get OTP function. Syntax error. I'm using seven things. Okay, here I'm getting this. I'm getting it's correct. Colon is correct.
I think one flower bracket is extra.
Okay. No, not extra. That one is return. That one is the function. Okay. Yep. C, I'm missing C. That's okay. I was thinking why it's coming. Okay. I'm going to new OTP going to set admin at the rate 123. Now I'm going to get you can also like look you can do like that. Return console.log old OTP. You can see here and starting I set one OTP by default 1 to 5. After that I want to change admin @123. It will change updated OTP. I'm calling same function, but the value will be changed. You can see if I'm change that again anything. Listen, I'm going to again change that OTP. It will also change. I'm sending number. You can see. So basically, what is the usage of closure? Basically, we are using for modularity. Okay, authentication. Okay, so basically this type of process, this type of mechanism we are using is closure and scope. Okay, so basically everywhere if you are going, it's a common, everyone just excited to know you understand closure or not. So basically closure is a simple things like a function is the like a combination of function and lexical scope. It's called like a closure. So basically for modularity authentication we are using a closure. Our like lexical scope is like a OTP, and I'm calling and I might just authenticate our like a code, like our OTP or means whatever you want to authenticate, you can authenticate. Okay, I hope you just understand. Okay, anything, any questions? Hello.
No, no, bro.
Okay, okay.